Hi everybody, today we're going to be taking a closer look at the CrossRoads Hampton. This is going to be their 395 BAM floor plan. Now it definitely packs a punch. You do have tons of windows on the campsite here, as well as two massive awnings. Looking down at the tires, you can see this camper is dual axle. Below that sliding glass door, you do have some nice hang down steps, as well as a big grab handle to the left of it. Only one slide out on the campsite, which is really nice, so it doesn't take away from your campsite. But the back of this camper is where everything really comes together. This basement is just insane. You maybe can even have some kids sleep down here, but it's mostly for your camping supplies. It's all throughout the back side of the camper here, which is really nice. And then down below, you're going to find where you're going to plug in your 50 amp power cord, which makes sense because this guy is a beast. On the driver's side, you're going to find two slide outs, so 3 slide outs in total. The one thing that I really like about this destination trailer is that all your controls are really in the same area when it comes to your outside utilities. You have your water heater, your spray port, your city water connection, your sewer outlet connections are all going to be in the same spot, which is really nice. And then moving towards the very front of this destination trailer, you're going to notice your massive window, as well as your battery box, propane tank, and your manual crank down tongue jack. All right, let's head in the inside and check it out. Okay, going through your sliding glass door, I'm just gonna take a moment to step back so you can take all of this in. This kitchen is just gorgeous. Even the kitchen island alone, I'm in love. You have plenty of storage all throughout it. Your sink is a single basin, but you do have your waterfall spout, soap pump, a strainer, cutting board, all included, which is really nice. You also have in your kitchen island this little pull out for a trash can, as well as a dishwasher. Super bougie, super nice. And then across from your kitchen island, you're gonna have your 4-burner cooktop with your microwave up above it, plenty of cabinetry, and then we're gonna have your residential fridge, which is really nice. And can you guys just take in all the cabinets? I mean, that's just crazy. Okay, moving to the very front, we're going to run into your L-shaped sectional. The house does turn into a bed if you have some late night stragglers. They are accommodated for. Huge window up front there that we saw on the outside as well. And then moving to your entertainment center, you have your smart TV with your fireplace down below. Now attached to this kitchen island, you do have 4 chairs, bar stools, that come with it, which is really nice. The other 2 are going to be in the bedroom, and you'll see those. But moving down the hallway here to the right, we're going to run straight into your control panel. So you have your lights, your tank levels, your awnings, your slide outs, heat and AC, all going to be right there for you at the same location, which is really nice. And then to the left down the hall, we're going to run into your laundry room. Now this is on one slide out, which is really nice. You do have a huge countertop up there, maybe to put some laundry baskets. Then your washer and dryer is going to be below it. To the left of that, you have a little bit of storage, maybe to put your soaps. And then across from that, we're going to run into your bathroom. So you do have a porcelain toilet on this bad guy. Your shower is going to have a little seat in there with a really bougie shower faucet. And then across from that, we're going to find your dual vanity. Really cool countertops in here. They are seamless with your medicine cabinets up above. Of course, you do have a max air fan in here with plenty of storage down below. At the very back of this destination trailer, we have your main bedroom. So you have a king size bed in here, chargers and outlets on either side of the bed, which we love. Nice big window on the back there, as well as across from the bed. You're going to have so much storage. So you have your wardrobes, you have a TV backer in the middle there, nice little window with plenty of drawers underneath. You do have storage underneath the bed in this guy as well. All right, guys, that is going to be your 2025 Hampton 395 BAM. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We're gonna run into your laundry room. Now this is on one slide out, which is really nice. You do have a huge countertop up there, maybe to put some laundry baskets.